What up? Valosta here. So today I'm showing you guys my pet birds. So as you see, there's some pet birds. Hold on, let me get. So as you see that is one of the birds. Come on, amigo. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's not gonna hurt. Hi, amigo. I need a flashlight. So guys, if you hear some background, that's just like a car. So anyways, this is Amigo. He is 20-something years old. He is a macaw. All of these birds are macaws. He is a boy, and he is really colorful. He's a mix of birds, like a red one and a green one. And let's take a look at Amigo. So Amigo is friendly with strangers, and also, yeah, and he's also nice, but not really nice with my mom. And also, these birds could break your finger off, so be careful when petting them. You need to pet them maybe on the beak. I'm not going to do it because I might get bit, and then I'll drop my iPad, and then my finger's going to bleed, and I'm going to be like, ah, fudge, why did I do this? So as you see, we have Poncha right here. She's 19 years old, I think. Oh, I have a flashlight, I forgot. So, she got her feathers picked for some reason. I don't know why, but I still love her. So it's a her, and she once laid an egg once, but it didn't hatch. So that's Poncha. Poncha is not really nice. She made my mom's finger bleed when she was feeding her. And she's like a green bird. Hi, Poncha. Hi. 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 I'm moving my head because that's what she usually does. Okay, moving on to the next one. Right over here. So Kelvin is a macaw too. All of these birds are macaws. She is 24 years old. She's a girl. So she has laid a bunch of eggs before, but they never hatched. And so that's Kelvin. Oh, and Kelvin was the first bird my mom got. Then she got Poncha, I think, and then Amigo. Pretty is. So this bird, he's the only male. The two others are she's, and so we put Kelvin in there once, and so Amigo mated with her and laid eggs, but they never hatched. So, oh hi. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys feeding them. So I'm gonna give these three birds treats. So these are not treats. Come on. Amigo loves these. And same with Kelvin. I don't know really with Poncha. Look, we're gonna watch him eat it. See? Now we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so with Poncha, I have to speed it up. Like, I have to do it quickly, because then she starts coming the way, because I don't want her to bite my finger, which is the problem. And now we got Kelvin. So here's Kelvin again. So she loves nuts too, like Amigo. Hey, over here. Take it. Over here. You want it or no? Just have to try to get it in there without. Oh shoot. Dang it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to lead her over here, but I'm not gonna actually. Come on. There we go, got the nuts. As you see, Kelvin is eating it. Guys, that's my dog cage. Scooby died. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end it right here. If you guys want me to do more pet showcases, I will. I definitely will make a video about the new puppy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.